Hey guys, and today I'm getting on the Nintendo Switch the Harry Potter Puppet Pals Mysterious Ticking Noise, but the second one. Oh. I need to start it from the start, obviously. So, before we get started the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel because I only have 5 subscribers. Damn! So, here we go. Dee, doo, dee.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? It's not over here, it's not over there. It's kind of catchy. Snape, Snape,
Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Snape, Snape,
Severus Snape,
Dumbledore, Ron, Ron, Ron Weasley, Ron, Ron Weasley,
Severus Snape,
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, oh, Harry Potter, Harry Potter. Here comes the pot. Harry Snape, Harry Snape, Harry Snape, Harry Snape, Harry Snape. Dumbledore. Hermione. Singing a song all day long at Hogwarts. Here comes the bit.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a 10-year-old YouTube video. Wait a minute. 10 years? What are we still doing in school? Let's get out of here. Well, 10 years. Makes you feel old, doesn't it, Snape? Snape. Snape. Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape.
Okay. Bye. I need to do something before the other YouTube video gets on. Hope you like my video. Hit the like button and subscribe and hit the notifications if you know how to, because when I'm subscribing to channels, I have no idea how to notificate. Bye. Sorry about that.